In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling with Squarespace. So let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to Squarespace's website by opening your browser and typing in squarespace.com. Once the webpage loads, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your email and password to access your account. If you prefer, there's also an option to continue by logging in with your Google account by clicking the Continue with Google link. After successfully logging in, you'll see your Squarespace dashboard. From here, select the website that you'd like to work on. Once you've made your selection, click on the scheduling option in your site's navigation panel. This will open up the section where you can manage all your scheduling needs. Here on the dashboard, you'll see a series of options. Find and click on Create Appointment Types. Now you're in the area where you can start customizing the details of these appointment types. Think about the kind of appointments you'd like to offer. You can adjust things like the duration of each appointment, write up detailed descriptions to inform your clients, and of course set your pricing. Once you're satisfied with your settings, look for the Create Appointment Type button to save your new appointment type. Next up is setting your availability. Click on Set Your Availability and define the hours and days you're open for business. Acuity allows you to get quite specific, so you can even set up recurring schedules or make exceptions for special days and events. Once you've configured your availability, ensure you hit Save to confirm your schedule. To gain a clear overview of your busy schedule, click on Calendar. This area allows you to view your agenda in various formats such as day, week, or month view, providing a comprehensive snapshot of your commitments. You'll also have the capability to manage your appointments and classes here, making adjustments as needed. With your appointments and availability set, now it's time to make your scheduling page visually appealing. Click on Design Your Scheduling Page. Here, you're free to customize everything from the page's appearance to specific scheduling options that best suit your brand style and needs. Play around with the various customization options until you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your scheduling page. That's all you need to do to set up Acuity scheduling on your Squarespace website. With just a few clicks and some personalization, you'll be ready to offer seamless appointment scheduling for your clients. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.